Here they come. Surprise! Surprise!
What's this?
This is your cape?
What is this? Today's not even my birthday.
This is the Iron Throne. Take a seat. Here's your sword.
Yay! Yay!
Yay!
Reggie escaped. And Kylie. Oh, is it kind of loud?
Sorry we scared you.
Oh, Liam, I'm
It
glad
is
you're
Skippy.
here to help
It's
Rocky
Skippy.
celebrate his birthday.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay! Bananagrams! We can all play Bananagrams.
Yay.
All right. Happy birthday, Rocky.
Happy birthday.
Did we surprise you?
Yeah, I was so confused. I thought you guys were just listening to this real loud on your own.
We're rocking. All right, happy early birthday, Rock.
Thanks, guys.
It's gonna be a fun evening.